Finally!
2,000 years later.
Finally. I gotta tell you, man, it has felt like a long time. There are a lot of reviews out there. There is a lot of content creators sharing their experience. But the hype is still the hype. And though I may be late to the game, I'm coming off the bench, folks. I'm ready to get into the game and share my experience with my Z Fold 8. Oh, man. It's been a wait. It's definitely been a wait. I can finally put away the dummy device. It has done me good. But now it's time for the real deal. So stay tuned. Join me on my journey through my experience with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.